So this is the shredder motor for the FS-30. It has a 3 horsepower motor as opposed to a 1 horsepower motor, which is what the competitors all use. Behind this housing, there's actually an additional large bearing, which is not even provided by the motor manufacturer. In the event that there's a great deal of volume going through the machine, or the machine is being abused by employees, the first thing that will be suffering would be only the bearing that is exterior, which is easily replaced. So this is an 11-pound shredder plate, which is all stainless steel and attaches on with a threaded screw that also has a washer on it. The advantage to such a heavy plate is that it creates a great deal of kinetic energy when that shredder is spinning, so the amount of impact on the bearings is practically none. This is a unique blade which can only go on the FS-20s, 30s, 60s, and higher because of the shredder plate behind it is capable of having what we call a pulping blade, which allows for a maximum amount of product to be emulsified to have a very large surface area, allowing for a very high yield. The plate is excellent for everything, standard vegetables and fruits, except for very leafy products like kale or spinach, or very, very fibrous products like pineapple. As in our previous model, for ease of cleaning and use, there's an enclosure which covers up all the mechanicals in the machine, so it's an easy spray down. But the advanced model here, which is the Plus series, in this case it is the 30 Plus, has a shortened back. Everything has been compacted tremendously, so you have a much smaller footprint, as you can see, being taken up. And the area which you actually need in order to manufacture has been decreased by about 40%. Second thing is that the motor and the oil have been put off to the side here, and for there to be a decrease in any type of issue with motor oil and having to replace the 9-gallon, we're down to a 1-gallon tank, which saves a tremendous amount of money, and there's a cooling system with the tank which allows for the machine to be internally cooled, and you'd only need to replace the oil on an annual basis. The hoses on all the Plus series models are stainless steel, and they're buried inside the interior of the machine. As you can see, everything is in stainless steel now, which makes it very easy to clean. Furthermore, some of the other advancements for this Plus series is that the units now have 2 emergency stop buttons, which you can press in from either side, wherever you're located, and unscrew and unclicks. Same thing on this side, another emergency stop button. You press in and you just turn it on, clicks. It's no longer a speed regulator, which is an external, which previously was an external lever, which would be on the exterior of the machine like this. It's all built right into the box, nice and neat. And the speed can be ranging from 0 to 100. Generally, we keep the machine running at about 80, 90, 70, 100. The control box also has both the press as well as the shredder on the same panel, which makes it very easy to use. And you can even see you can run them simultaneously. Perhaps one of the most important aspects of the equipment, besides having an updated press, as well as a much, much more powerful shredding motor, which stainless steel shredding plate, is the press itself. The boards actually interlock perfectly, not allowing juice or cake to escape in any particular direction, and getting as much surface area on the product as possible. We have apples, pineapple, carrots, very typical products in terms of juice yield, not overly juicy, not under. And we're going to throw our product in. and the product is shredding itself because of how kinetic energy from the weight of the shredder blade as well as the 3 horsepower motor. I'm hardly pushing this thing. I'm using one finger. So we put in 23 pounds of product in the machine, and that's our cake after the first squeeze. We've zeroed out the balance for the bag, and we're putting on the bag right now. And we have 6.27 pounds of cake out of 23 pounds of product which we put into the press, leaving a grand total of about 16.73 pounds of juice in the pan left.